Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Levoit H13 is probably one of the most sought-after air purifiers on the market, and for good reason, as it promises to deliver cleaner, fresher air to your home, tackling everything from dust and pollen to pet dander and even smoke, making it a compelling option for allergy sufferers and anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality. But does it live up to the hype, and is it the right choice for your specific needs and living space? We're going to dive deep into its features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Levoit Core 200S P Air Purifier. Choose a purifier that's independently tested and certified by AHAM. This ensures reliable performance and energy efficiency for cleaner indoor air you can trust. For the best results and longevity, always use genuine replacement filters. You can easily track your filter life through our convenient app. Its 360 degrees air intake and compact design ensure efficient airflow. This unit refreshes the air in a 140 square foot room nearly 5 times per hour, making it perfect for any small space. It effectively captures large particles and absorbs odors, while the main filter removes 99.97% of microscopic dust, pollen, and dander for cleaner air. Enjoy clean air without the noise. With sound levels as low as 27 dB, it won't disturb your sleep, and you can even turn off all the lights for complete darkness. Manage your air purifier remotely using the V-Sync app. Adjust settings from another room, at work, or even while you're out and about. It's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Simply use your voice to control its functions without lifting a finger. What we like. This compact unit offers smart voice control and quiet operation, making it ideal for smaller spaces. If you're looking for a convenient and unobtrusive air purifier for your bedroom or dorm, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to manage their air quality effortlessly. What people say. This one has multiple speeds. I usually leave it on max and it works great. It is small enough to be unobtrusive and large enough to be effective. The controls are on top and can be controlled via Wi-Fi if needed. It also has no smell whatsoever, and is very quiet when in night mode. I cannot hear it at all. You can however hear it if you turn up fan to maximum cleaning, but some folks might just like this extra white noise to fall asleep to. The smart control features are convenient and easy to use, which adds to the overall experience. The build quality feels solid, and it performs well for everyday use in a bedroom or dorm setting. Number 4. Levoit Core 400S P Air Purifier. Choose an air purifier that's independently tested and certified by AHAM for reliable performance, safety, and energy efficiency. This ensures you get effective indoor air quality improvement you can trust. This air purifier is designed for powerful whole room purification, capable of cleaning the air in spaces up to 1,733 square feet in just 1 hour. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and open floor plans. Its advanced 3-in-1 filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns. This includes common allergens like pollen, dust, and pet dander, ensuring cleaner air. Equipped with advanced sensor technology, it continuously scans the air for particles and displays the PM 2.5 levels. This allows you to monitor your indoor air quality in real time. Enjoy fresh air in any room, whether it's your bedroom, living room, or kitchen. It effectively removes common household odors, pet dander, smoke, and VOCs, leaving your home smelling clean and crisp. Designed for your comfort, it features a quiet sleep mode that ensures undisturbed rest. You can enjoy clean air without any disruptive noise, perfect for bedrooms. What we like. This air purifier is designed for large rooms, offering powerful whole room purification. If you have an open floor plan or a spacious living area, its auto mode and air quality monitor ensure optimal performance. It's the best option for maintaining fresh air throughout your entire home. What people say. Husband reporting much less allergens and improved sleep. Has reduced dust in the house by 90%. Seriously, we leave doors open as much as possible in house and we're dusting once a week, now do not have the dust buildup at all. Easy out-of-the-box setup. Not noisy and does reduce cooking odors as well as its primary filtration job, so a nice benefit. The 400S P uses a high-precision laser that scans for PM 2.5 microscopic particles and adjusts the fan speed in auto mode with incredible accuracy. The V-Sync app remains the most stable in the industry. Real-time data, you can see your indoor air quality, AQI, on your phone in real time. Voice control, full integration with Alexa and Google Assistant allows you to say, set air purifier to turbo when you burn toast in the kitchen, and it responds instantly. True H13 HEPA filtration. The 3-stage system captures 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns, including pollen, pet dander, and smoke. Genuinely quiet sleep mode. At 24 dB, it is whisper quiet. The display lights can be turned off entirely, making it perfect for light sleepers. HAM verified. This isn't just marketing talk. It has been independently tested for clean air delivery rate, CADR, ensuring it performs exactly as advertised. No ozone. Unlike some competitors that use ionizers, this is 100% ozone-free and safe for people with asthma or respiratory sensitivities. Auto mode efficiency. The set and forget logic is flawless. It stays on low until it detects a spike, like cooking or dusting, ramps up to clear the air, and then drops back down to save energy. The 400 seems to pull a lot more air and a lot less fan noise. I was surprised at the size difference between the two filters. The 400 is almost twice the size. It is definitely better for larger rooms, but the 300 is nice for smaller medium-size rooms. This model seems to be the sweet spot of value with quality. I love the smart capabilities, so I can schedule different fan speeds throughout the day. Number 3. LINNIW 100 Replacement Filter 2-Pack. Ensure optimal performance for your Levoit 100 air purifier with these perfectly compatible replacement filters. They are designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing unit, offering a hassle-free experience. Experience superior air purification with our advanced 3-in-1 filtration system. It effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pet dander, and lint, for cleaner air. Breathe easier with the high-efficiency activated carbon layer. It neutralizes unpleasant odors from cooking, smoke, and even wildfire pollutants, creating a fresher and healthier indoor environment for you and your family. Crafted with premium materials and advanced technology, these filters offer high efficiency with lower energy consumption. Enjoy maximum filtration performance and a longer service life, saving you money in the long run. Replacing your filter is simple and requires no tools. For best results, we recommend replacing them every 6 to 8 months to maintain peak air quality and enjoy continuous freshness in your home. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated support team is ready to assist you promptly to ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. This is a 3-in-1 replacement filter with a washable pre-filter, designed for energy efficiency. If you own the Levoit 100 air purifier and want a cost-effective, high-performance filter, this is your go-to. It ensures your purifier runs smoothly while capturing a wide range of pollutants. What people say. Instant better air quality. Very easy to install and works. The fitment was snug for me, letting me know it is providing a nice seal with the filter and the unit. Also nice that they included extra pre-filters. Number 2. Future Core 300 Replacement Filter 2-Pack. Ensure optimal performance by using these replacement filters specifically designed for your Levoit Core 300 and Core 300S air purifiers. Please verify your model before purchase to guarantee a perfect fit. Breathe easier with our advanced 3-stage filtration system. It effectively captures everyday airborne particles, reducing irritants and keeping your indoor air fresh and clean. Experience superior air purification with H13 True HEPA technology. This filter captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, and pet dander. Enjoy a fresher home with our upgraded activated carbon filter. It effectively captures smoke, cooking smells, pet odors, and VOCs for easier breathing. Get up to 6 to 8 months of reliable air purification with each filter. This convenient 2-pack ensures you have clean air year-round while saving money. When the indicator light turns on, simply press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds to reset the filter reminder. Enjoy continuous clean air with ease. What we like. Featuring H13 True HEPA filtration and an upgraded activated carbon filter, this replacement is perfect for maintaining clean air. If you need a reliable and affordable filter for your Levoit Core 300 or 300S, this 2-pack offers excellent value. It's ideal for those seeking strong odor and particle removal. What people say. These work perfectly with our Levoit air purifier. Our purifier runs daily and I can get a good 6 to 8 months out of a filter. These are great filters. Fits exactly as the Levoit filter and works as well. I had no issues and seems functioning as intended, as the air quality in our bedroom is great and exactly the same as when I was using the original Levoit filters based on the air quality monitor. Fit perfectly and seemed to trap the dust as well as the OEM one that I had originally. Number 1. APPLIANCEMATES Vital 100 Replacement Filter 2-Pack. Introducing the Vital 100 Replacement Filter, designed specifically for your Levoit Vital 100 air purifier. Ensure your device continues to deliver the cleanest air possible. This H13 filter replacement helps maintain 99.97% filtration efficiency. It's perfect for homes with pets or anyone who prioritizes air quality, resulting in cleaner and fresher air. Experience superior air purification with its 3-stage filtration system. It includes a washable pre-filter, a high-efficiency activated carbon filter for odors, and a true HEPA filter for ultimate freshness. Crafted from premium non-woven HEPA 13 material, these filters are built to the highest standards. They reduce air resistance and improve airflow for optimal performance. This pack provides a 1-year supply. The pre-filter is removable and washable, while the true HEPA and carbon filters are attached and should be replaced. For optimal performance of your air purifier, it's recommended to replace these filters every 6 months. You'll receive a pack of 2 replacement filters along with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us for a satisfactory solution. What we like? This replacement filter offers a 3-stage filtration system with an H13 grade true HEPA filter and a washable pre-filter. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to maintain air quality in homes with pets or for allergy sufferers, this is an excellent choice. It provides a year's supply of clean air. What people say. We have 5 indoor cats. These air machine helps make our air breathable. We have a HEPA air filtration system in our bedroom, and these filters are so easy to replace. Lasts a month or 2, then simply remove the old one, which is noticeably covered in dust and particles. New one goes in and the lid snaps back on. Easy peasy. Works good and replace it every 6 months. I always write the date of installation on the filter with a marker so I know when to replace it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.